So the coleus has just gone crazy. I'm topping it because it's huge. Hello, my friends. It's Peg, and it is July. No, it's August. It's almost my birthday, August in Iowa. And you can see the tomatillo are going crazy down there along with the romas. I had to clear out a patch up here because I had some tomatoes that are starting to put on fruit, and I need to get to them. The pumpkins are getting ready for harvest. This is the green stalk that I've been harvesting my lettuce from. So right now, that's what this one is. And then this one is one I planted before I went in for surgery, and it's been sorely neglected. I just put the supports on today to try and give these poor cucumbers a place to go. So hopefully they'll come back, but there's baby cucumbers all over these. So I'm thinking, if I can get it hooked on there, I'm thinking I'm going to get a nice crop out of that. I moved all of the strawberries over into this tower, and I freshened up the herb tower, which is over here. Everything was just getting weedy and overgrown and kind of a mess because I've been out of commission. I had cataract surgery and another surgery coming up, and it's just been a hot mess out here. So that's it for what's going on. I still need to weed all along the hedgerow down there. I did get some of this done over here, and I did get out in there. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all of you guys, and